In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Revolut Business account. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click, what to enter, and how to get verified without hiccups. You'll want a computer, a stable internet connection, access to your business email and phone, plus your official company details like the legal name, registration number, incorporation date, and business address. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut. Head to the official site and choose the option to create an account. When prompted, select your country and double check that Revolut supports businesses in your location. If it does, click Continue to move on. Next, choose your legal business type. Pick the option that matches your official registration, such as a limited company, sole trader, or partnership. When you're confident it's correct, click Continue. Enter your business email address and hit Continue. Now go to your inbox and authorize the login. You'll typically receive a secure link or a one-time code. Follow the instructions in that message to confirm it's really you. Back on the site, enter your phone number, making sure you've selected the correct country code. Click Continue. Then enter the verification code sent via SMS. Create a strong password you haven't used elsewhere, store it safely, and click Continue. Provide your date of birth and continue. Enter your residential address exactly as it appears on official documents, then continue again. Now search for your business legal name. If a matching record appears, select it and proceed. You'll be asked for key business details: the legal name, your official registration number, such as a company's house number if you're in the UK, and the date of incorporation. Type these accurately using the same formatting as your registration documents, then continue. Add your business address, including city and postcode, and continue once more. It's time to verify your identity. Have your government-issued ID nearby and good lighting available. Click Continue. Choose the form of ID you'll use, such as a passport, national ID card, or driver's license, depending on what's accepted, and follow the prompts. When you're ready, start the video recording. Keep your face centered, remove any glare from your document, and carefully complete the liveness and document checks as instructed. Once verification is approved, you'll land on your Revolut Business dashboard. At this point, your account is created and you're good to go. If anything doesn't match or you get an error, revisit the fields and ensure they reflect your official records exactly. That's the full process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you set up your Revolut Business account smoothly.